Shababia Yabufu 10 liter on the board. Shababia 10 liter. So look at the amount of stealing these people are doing.
Okatakyie Afrifa see ade o se ne galam say a woye no oye e free eye fuel station see ade wa hold on wo galam say site or dey do eye fuel station.
Abrante mo 10 liter can e wo he. Ade na money 10 liter can.
Hey, let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I make sure to subscribe to Eddie Amamenafi. What click on notification bell on the said the any upload be on Sabbath me can now share so my for Abe make sure so be like it and so Eddie Amame. Na enra dam de beso mo say Okatakyie Afrifa ese woko eye Atimpoku onam kwan so a wo ba no. Okowura eye boy fuel station bi a okobufuo ne nsem bebre ne si ye yenka ye ho kakra emra.
Obebam anya fu aye wi ekeke enkomo na wura na em se nananom na eye yade me fa ho se Okatakyie ye ko bie wani no ahwa na ye koye ne ebusa se fuel station kura ye hwan dia na se nipa no ye de ba wo krom ha wo ye hwan ya wo ye de wo ye
yes kam kakra bi ekoso ewo ho a Okatakyie ede ba betu dwa by Ghana TV se men kan cho se wo behia say ye Ghana for ye be patronize made in Ghana products now my Ghana etini akoni ni santi we ye made in Ghana products nkwa dia we ye short video of what you produce na wa send am na this level screen so me ye bebo mu de ro am free of charge we here nche mu bia betini afre numbers no my Ghana TV streaming live 247 ewo YouTube afi so kopiem ewo Roku Boxer ye wo ho ukopiem ewo Google Play Store so ye wo betini a download na woni ye interactive Okatakyie enen so wasai aba eno odi tu dwa se ne obebo nipa a eye goy fuel station ne eye ne dia na wo chema ka se goy ono eye a mother company on its own nkofo timi ko ho ekodi permission e di operate under them the santi wabodi ye gotie mwa
ade na money 10 liter can because I suspect say at the end momiem it dey na I say 10 liter can I say wahine Abrante mo 10 liter can e wahi ade na money 10 liter can because I suspect say at the end momiem it dey na I say 10 liter can I say wahine 10 liter can e dey na say 10 liter can I say answer na me make buy me dem
like let me buy another there me
for manager friend bra one manager friend bra why na manage her ko friend bra ko friend bra aha ya Atimpoku we are suspecting this is the machine this is we are suspecting 1200 you feel legal V8 we are suspecting that this pump has been tampered with 83.898 liters and what fairly they are buying now on an evidence base even when this vehicle is empty failure over 1,100 the question we are asking is that again here petrol at the half tank and at this or that half tank now you failure and you back up to 1,200 we are simply requesting for a 10 liter tank just to measure to ensure say the omuye will have the authorities here will refuse it 10 liter can now we have been here for almost 1 hour manager and show the face supervisor and show the face all the workers here will be and we are telling Ghanaians that this is what happens we are customers now where we say this is what happens to you Wama die Korea ni no. I'm friend say
North Korea.
Kim Jong Un. Ne hu Kim Jong Un bi a ye ko recruit nu apa. Na mo ye dan. Breaks bebem. Kwame Peku me believe no. Eti Kwame Peku bi na ye report no. Kwame yenko. the state oil now no necessarily protecting customers. They are the ones stealing from us. Ajuma brand pay as chief executive. When you say Sanyama will cost me, yet he is there and he's watching. And we are reporting from Atimpoku in the eastern net. There was investigation in Shazia. Okatakyie Mawamontias say Ghana Juman in the area. I say a Ghana oil. That's your coffee patches. That's your Edwada, you didn't for my own. Mwamojina Hamontias, no Bufuela. I deal with your liters. And I deal with your Ghana Ubetia. Most of who could you will focus on. And the liters now focusing on. It's a car in Nigeria. Okay, liter Nebua, liter Bedua, now go to one times. Now, this is a case where mostly a Jessica, a relator, it's way was CA. I'm going to say, Senka, we who suspect is will be a one. We saw some over 10 liter, which he knows. By the buy a boils only 10 liter. Only 10 liter. We want to it's a starter free, a year 0 to 10. When this one gets to 10 liter, I see a 10 liter, exactly the same. When it doesn't happen like that, it means it has been tempered.
Yanya Dumabi, Posse, our teacher, Posse. Na, may yen say 10 liter no. Should I be see one branch and see us say. Na, Safo. Next time we hear the train na year me shoes wate. Adia no bibi ne precede ya but I no kwa say court bebe mu. Wo de anya we yam for evidence ni bi ente. Na court ne be mu a ya yiyi di ahwehwe mu sum left right center. Ai. Na me kan si so say enya one machine ye test it. Yesa koye. E drive it tete me na say there bi enkofo ahwe o mu defense be ye say. Sa machine fort wo ho. Yesa drive back 30 minutes down. Esa be check the other machines in here. No man can no cry chere penifo ndi omutu betwi. Why? Ai me ba obdi obusi obi a. Me koye no ye du kwam na me ka che ko fi say yan check petrol ne the other side. Enkofo omu defense be ka say ye. It ma preempt omu defense de da. Yes, yeah, we are lawyer in now so you good one. You must preempt the defense that your opponent will come. Then you outline rules for that. Fantastic. It may sat down many 30 minutes driving by. Many ko finish speaker ye by yen na ye baba ye. Why? It's yen kosu near. Now what to fuel? Baby ye liters. Ana baby ye sika. Mostly baby I would do when ni ehwe. Eye baby ye sika no wo. Nebo mu yebetimi a kire so sika ni na so nya liters e bua ma no. Sa. Ai na Ghana for Nigeria de wo mo ntofu wo sika mu. Oyo so ma 10 liter. Ma 20. Etuto 10 liter no ono multiply no. Na wa ye no de amount. Ai.
Yesu de 40 man.
Man 40 Ghana ni 50 Ghana. O bebu yes.
No de ye.
Ai, etiafe ye mu.
Okay, this is the liter. Let's go.
The liter the third one is amount the liter. So in Nigeria, when they want to buy for, they put liters. They don't buy amount. And because we always make
now we are Kwama Nipa now Kwama no bo agusa wo ha adwene. They say before the ni Jimmy no
problem is you don't travel, so we don't get access on these things. Nigeria, when they go to buy for, they say I'll buy 10 liters, 5 liters, 2 liters, and then you pay that.
Nah, what's it? Nah, what's it? Yeah, what's it? Now, what have I had here? And you pop on someone 10 liters new. But her baby a fool or not at that. Yeah. So we put 10 liters, as I say, and ever. Kwame. Shababi a yabu 10 liter on the board. Shababi a 10 liter. So look at the amount of stealing these people are doing. The volume of stealing that these people are doing.
Yeah, so picture in picture, a good one. Now me chira mo say no teacher go back never sir 10 liter. So no teacher follow. Gina baby a nozzle no 10 liter no nozzle no pepe gina hama me. Na me chira mo say 10 liter na ya dade gase.
Le si ho no.
Ani ya ye because ye the petrol ni diesel na ebegum. ana womaye nozzle which is omaye gauge some transparent adie bi hye ho na teacher if it is possible zoom in in about say ya tro numbers bi wo 10 liter 10 lit na under 10 liter no ya tro minus 0.05 ana on top of it ya tro minus 0. plus 0.05
exactly
it is a ubuna say machine wo 4 to kra ese pie free baby adade na no ne wo no epie ba soro na etimi eba be ka baby a minus 0.0 ana 10 liter na ngasa but wo hwe we ya empiempo emfiri dade na no emis omo do ya comfortable mu apa omo mia ne mfi mu ankasa ne mfi ne mfi empiempo ama empiama and it's so shameful
exactly
omo nimfu o ne petrol mu no mo hwehwe Benjamin Siama me obi a onimfu o ne petrol ayi onimfu o nsesem ohunu se yaye we na empiama wonim se nipa no ye kromfo pa ai wonim se nipa no ye obu akatwo mesi wo Benjamin Siama bekoi hwehwe Benjamin Siama me why entra hodin me ka me bia no aye ne ntem why edi koso abo boni enti
man crime scene.
Look at the volume of stealing.
This is relax.
Hey, Masa, relax. Why now? Because some shoes now
Relax.
Hey, funny.
Don't tamper with it.
Hey, funny.
Another
nonsense arrest that motherfucker.
Go down.
If you watch here,
Relax.
there's 10 liter here. 10 liter here. Yes. It is that 10 liter. Unya ya. Ese fuel no so edru ha.
10 liter.
Which is 10 liter na wahano.
Yes.
Now this is the case here. Fuel 10 liters. Baby edru chese no 0.5 liters.
Right.
It means the amount of a year fuel or muria, you will be shocked. You'll be shocked. So it means for 2,000 Ghana, they are actually giving you less than 500 Ghana cedi.
Exactly.
So 2,000 Ghana because 10 liters.
10 liters.
Now we put a much even half of
0.5. Chief, when are we here elite? So this is 10 liters.
This is 10 liters.
Yes. 10 liters.
10 liters. No,
10 liters. As I said, that
quick, ODI. Class 5 minus 5. It's anya requirement. Hey, oine bra ko bubedu ha.
One baby away there.
Now, but today, don't worry. Afe bubedu 10 liter ne. You top up. Men start from zero. Don't start from zero. Now, me so mo nim fuo ensense mu no. So omo saa de we ya. They know the filling station. They are thieves.
Precisely.
Busia eye edin no na eye Okatakyie Afrifa abono si edin edi Joyobo Adu na chese o kiremu a papa yi according to the sources a wonyaye no oye immediate past eye NPA chairman na chese petroleum na nkasa de oye ho adwuma ana eno asoso eno wasanso agibi ede ama ne ho a ode ye adwuma but oka say fi ochine kọ no sade details of bibia ebeba inti update bia say free go ba me de baba aba beso mu the din edina na epia sanso makram